We are all trying to be perfect. Our appearance, our homes, our work. We put so much pressure on ourselves to make sure everything is flawless. But are you tired from this constant chase for perfection? Does life feel heavy? If so, today we're talking about a beautiful Japanese concept that can bring a wonderful lightness to your life. It's called Wabi Sabi. Simply put, Wabi Sabi is the art of finding beauty in imperfection and impermanence. Think about it, a flower in full bloom is beautiful, but there is also a different, unique beauty when its petals wither and fall. The scratches and stains on an old wooden bench tell its story. Wabi Sabi teaches us to accept that things getting old, changing, and having small flaws is a beautiful part of life itself. In Japan, there is an amazing art form called Kintsugi. When a piece of pottery breaks, they repair it with gold lacquer. Instead of hiding the cracks, they highlight them as a beautiful part of the object's history. This is the perfect example of Wabi Sabi. It teaches us that our flaws, our broken parts, are not things to be hidden. They can become the most beautiful parts of our story. Look at your home. Does everything have to be brand new? In Wabi Sabi, the old chair you got from your grandmother, the table that has a few scratches from years of use, those things have life in them. That age, those marks, they're memories. That's what brings true beauty and warmth to a home. And finally, the most important part. Wabi Sabi applies to you. None of us are perfect. We have flaws. We make mistakes. There are things about our appearance we might not like. Wabi Sabi teaches us to stop chasing the perfect lives we see on social media and to appreciate ourselves just as we are. Your imperfections are what make you, you. And that is beautiful. So, Wabi Sabi is a beautiful way to look at life. It tells us that everything doesn't have to be new, shiny, and flawless. There is profound beauty hidden in things that are old, natural, and imperfect. And the day you start seeing that beauty, you will feel a wonderful lightness in your life.